Dean, I'm going to amaze you with my fantastic mental powers.
Really?
Right? I'm going to do some mathematics. You're going to check me out, right? First of all, so I can't cheat, I'll cover my eyes, right?
Okay.
Can't see a thing. Now, I want you to do this. Pick up the calculator.
Yes.
And write on it any 3-digit number you like.
Any number I like. I've done that.
Rightio. I don't know what it is, but write it down again to get a 6-digit number.
Done.
Right. Now I'm going to perform some fantastic mental arithmetic. Right, you got your 6-digit number?
I certainly have.
Do this for me. Divide it by 7. And
Okay.
to your gratification, there's no remainder.
It comes out exactly.
Yeah, that's what I said. Okay, take what you got and divide it by 11.
I've done that.
And no remainder again, is there?
Comes out exactly once again.
All right, take that last number and divide it by 13. And what do you notice about your answer?
Oh, that's I don't believe it. It's the number I started
exactly what
with.
you started with, isn't it?
But you didn't know that number.
No, I didn't.
Well, how did it work?
Well,
What
it would
happened?
have worked whatever 3-digit number you'd started with.
Really?
Yeah, true.
Why?
Well, I'll show you why. Try this. Remember,
Yes.
I divided into that 7, then 11,
Then
then 13.
yes.
Try this. 7 times 11 times,
That's 77 times
13.
13.
And you get
1,001.
1001.
Ah, now I think I know why it worked. If you multiply any 3-digit number by 1,001, that number will have to repeat itself.
That's right, to give you the sort of 6-digit number that you started with.